Hi, this is Linda Wong at Talent TV Productions. I'm here at the LA Independent Film Festival. I'm with TK. Can you tell us, TK, what do you do?
Hi, my name is TK Xu. I am from China. This is my third year in the US. I've been mainly stationed in LA, connecting Chinese investors with Hollywood filmmakers on film financing, distribution, production, just all those aspects. Yeah.
Is there a certain type of film you look for when you're going to be considering financing and distribution?
Well, there are different types of investors in China looking for projects, and some of them are new investors. They're new in this, so they're looking for some smaller budget. We're talking about like 1 mil or something around that. But some of them, they prefer a larger budget films because they've got experience in this, and they prefer somewhere around 25 mil to 70 mil. So just different investors for different projects.
How does one find you?
Oh, well, I
Okay,
find them.
you find them? Okay, so what do you do by finding them? Coming to film festivals?
Well, yeah, I do that a lot, and also it's not hard for filmmakers to demonstrate their work on the internet, which is a great platform, and we find a great short films that's made by those potential young filmmakers, and we go find them and we fund them for a feature, long, full-length feature film.
What's the main website? Is it YouTube? Is it Vimeo? Like what would be a good place to go?
YouTube, Vimeo, they're all great.
So I also hear you're an actor.
Yes, I am. It's always been a passion, but recently I just proved myself more useful behind the scene. I just connected this China's Netflix or YouTube. It's called iQIYI. With my mentor in acting, Mr. James Hong. He's been acting for more than 60 years. He's the voice for Kung Fu Panda's father, Mr. Ping.
Yeah.
He was in Big Trouble Little China with he's my mentor, and now I am producing his two projects, the two scripts that he wrote and co-wrote, and a story idea that's perfect for China-US co-production, and looking for theatrical release in China. So that's what I'm working on now.
How did you find a mentor? How did you find him as a mentor, or did he find you?
Oh, that was a long story, but anyway, I found them. That's James and his daughter April. They're both my mentors. Taught me everything in the business. But now I am honoring him by making his projects happen.
Well, that's wonderful. Is there something that we should look out for that you finance that's coming out soon?
Well, definitely. Mr. Hong is constantly looking for great filmmakers to work with, great directors, great cinematographers, line producers. We're just really looking forward to work with talented people.
Well, that's great. We'll look forward to seeing your films being financed, and actually forward to you being in them.
Hopefully,
Is that the plan?
Yeah.
You better put him in one of your films.
Yeah, talk to James about that.
Okay, great. Well, thank you for joining us here. It was a pleasure to talk to you.
Thank you. Pleasure's all mine.